Legends of Learning presents the Factor Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about prime numbers, composites, and factor pairs fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, play as the number inspector at a random number-generating factory.
Epic.
You will decide which numbers are acceptable and which are not, based on the factors they are made of. You will learn how to find if a number is prime or has a specific factor, or how to list all the factors of a specific number. Play as a number inspector at a random number-generating factory. Your goal is to accept or reject numbers based on the factors that they are made of. Use the mouse to click on the accept or reject icon. Use the mouse to click on the machine and insert the correct factors of that number. Pay close attention to the instructions on the right-hand side of the screen, as they will guide you to complete each level. Improve your knowledge on how to find prime numbers, composites, and factor pairs. Complete all tasks to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Epic.